Hey, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to the Stoic Guidance and hit the bell icon so you never miss the wisdom that could change your life. Have you ever felt lost in the noise of the world? Like everyone around you is moving, chasing, achieving, yet somehow you feel stuck, overwhelmed, and unsure of who you really are. Today, we're going to talk about something most people never truly understand: the power of solitude and mastering yourself before seeking the world's validation. Most of us fear being alone. We fill our days with distractions, phones, social media, constant chatter, because the silence forces us to confront ourselves. And what if I told you, the moment you embrace being alone is the moment you start becoming unstoppable? Imagine a young man walking through a crowded street, everyone rushing past, all talking, laughing, living their lives on autopilot. He stops. He steps aside. He sits quietly in a corner, not lonely, not sad, just observing. Most people would call him strange. Most would tell him to join the crowd. But he knows a secret. True power lies in understanding yourself before you chase the world. Stoic philosophers have always emphasized this. Marcus Aurelius, one of the greatest minds in history, said that the world will always be chaotic, full of people who react impulsively, who let their emotions control them. And in that chaos, only those who have mastered themselves can act with clarity, with purpose, with wisdom. You see, mastering yourself is not about forcing control over everything outside, but about learning control within. It's about knowing your strengths, understanding your weaknesses, accepting your fears, and facing them quietly, calmly, alone. And the truth is, you can't do this in a room full of distractions. You can't do this while seeking constant validation from friends, family, or social media. You must step back. You must stay alone. At first, it feels uncomfortable. It feels unnatural. Our minds scream, "Go out, be with people, don't isolate yourself." But that discomfort is the sign of growth. That's the point where transformation begins. Because in solitude, you hear the voice that matters most. The voice of your own reason, your own conscience, your own potential. Think about the most successful people you know. The innovators, the thinkers, the leaders. They didn't get there by following the crowd. They got there by spending time alone, reflecting, learning, and mastering their inner world. While others were chasing distractions, they were building character, discipline, and clarity of mind. And here's a secret most people ignore. Being alone doesn't mean being lonely. There's a difference. Loneliness comes from dependence. Solitude comes from choice. Solitude is a decision to prioritize yourself, to develop yourself, to become someone so strong, so capable, that the world can no longer shake you. So, if you're feeling lost, overwhelmed, or unsure of your path, don't panic. Don't run to others for answers. Instead, step back. Sit quietly. Think deeply. Ask yourself the questions that matter. Who am I? What do I truly value? What am I capable of becoming? And don't stop until you find your answers. Because once you master yourself, once you truly understand your own mind and heart, the world no longer intimidates you. Challenges become opportunities. Failures become lessons. And the opinions of others, they become irrelevant. This is why staying alone until you master yourself isn't selfish. It's necessary. It's preparation. It's training. It's building the fortress of your mind and spirit that will allow you to walk into the world with confidence, wisdom, and unshakable calm. So today, I challenge you. Step into the quiet. Step into solitude. Don't run from yourself. Face your thoughts, your fears, your desires. Write them down. Reflect, meditate, grow. And remember, the world may call you strange at first, but soon it will call you unbreakable. If you want the full video series on mastering yourself and using Stoic wisdom to transform your life, type Marcus Aurelius in the comments below, and I'll upload the complete guide just for you. And one last reminder, subscribe now because the Stoic Guidance is your path to wisdom, strength, and mastery, one lesson at a time. Remember, the journey to mastery begins with one simple step. Embrace being alone until you become the master of yourself.